Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello friends, today we'll have a walkthrough of scenario to schedule a search to run every 10 minutes in Splunk. Okay, let's get started by getting data of one particular index. Available for today and search it. So we have data available for this particular index with today's date and have 3,52,478 events. Okay, let's search for this particular string, mention it in double quotes, paste it and then click on search. So we have 7,633 events for this particular string. Okay, if you want to schedule a search to run every 10 minutes, you can save this particular query or search, save as alert, so that we can schedule it. Title test alert pooling pool KOF. So we are going to give the title of this particular alert. You can mention the description if you need. Alert type is scheduled. We are going to schedule this, and now it is asking for when you want to get it scheduled. Run every week, every hour, every day, every month. So we want to run this on cron schedule, and time range you can mention to run every 10 minutes of data to be captured till now, and latest will be now. Apply. Okay, so it will capture the data from last 10 minutes. Cron expression to be mentioned here, star \5 to run every 5 minutes, every hour, every day, every month and every year. Okay, trigger alert when number of results. You want to search on particular condition based on results or host or sources or custom. So we want to go with the number of results is greater than 5. You can mention based on your requirement. Okay, trigger once, trigger actions. There are several actions to be added here. Add to trigger alerts, yes, so that we will get a notification, or in our triggered alerts severity you can click on based on our requirements, how much critical it is, high, critical, medium, low or info. So it is high. You want to add more action, you want to send email, you want to run a script, you want to log an event, you can add those actions based on your requirement and then save it. Okay, so alert has been saved. You can view your alert or continue editing it. Okay, close it, go to alerts from here. So let's search for this particular alert. Okay, so it is coming under yours because this is what I have created, right? It is with my ID. So this is the alert name which we have created. Right click on this, open link in new tab. If you go to this particular alert, you will see the properties of this particular alert. Enabled, yes. App search, permissions private, modified, it is currently created 1 minute back only. Alert type is scheduled and cron schedule. Trigger condition, number of results is greater than 5. Actions, add to triggered alerts. Okay, since if you want to edit this particular alert, you can edit it, and you mentioned 5 to run every 5 minutes. We can modify it to 10 since we are going to take example of 10 minutes and save it. Okay, done. You can refresh this particular alert. Okay, if you see, we got one trigger history. So this has been triggered at 11 CEST, and if you click on view results, you will get the required output over here. Yeah, so it ran from 10:50 to 11 and it has 118 events. That's the reason it has triggered, because we have mentioned the number of results greater than 5. So we got the required output. So that's how you can create alerts and schedule a search to run every 10 minutes or based on your requirement. Thank you.